All right, it's not made up, Rowan. It's actually discovered. Because before anyone knew it, 1 plus 4 equaled 5. It's sort of like, if a tree falls in the forest, does it make any noise? Absolutely. Because noise is a vibration in the air molecules, okay? And we hear it because those things bounce against our eardrum, and that's when we hear it. But whether or not we're there, it's still making noise, right? If you put a tape recorder out in the forest and walked away, and then came back and got the tape recorder and then played it, would there be any noise on it? Of course. 1 plus 4 equals 5 long before humans were around, okay? So it's not something that we created, it's something that we've discovered, okay? I'm sorry. Now, scatter plots and the coordinate plane. René Descartes. Okay, did I spell his name right? Did I spell his name right, Alan? I don't take French. No, I did not. There's an S after the E. It's D-E-S-C-A-R-T-E-S. D-E-S-C-A-R-T-E-S. There we go. That's better. I knew something was wrong there. Okay? All right. He's the one that gave us this. That's the coordinate plane. Now, who can tell me what this line is called? What is that line called? Vivian.
Is it you want me to give the y-axis?
I want you to give me whatever the name of this line is.
Okay.
It's the x-axis. X-axis goes side to side. It's the horizontal one. Okay? Now, Vivian, what's this axis?
The y-axis.
That's the y-axis. And you know what? These are really just two number lines. We're used to seeing a number line like that. Well, we took it and stood it up, and now we have a number line crossing it. We have two number lines, okay? That's when we have two different variables, an x and a y, or an a and a b, okay? Now, this is called the coordinate plane. There are points on the coordinate plane, and those points are called ordered pairs. Why do you think that they're called ordered pairs? Why are they called ordered pairs? Rowan? They are always in order, alphabetical order. So the number 3, is that the x coordinate or is it the y coordinate? Elise? It's the x, and it's always the x. The first one is always the x. What about the second number, Moreau? Is that the y coordinate or the x coordinate? It's the y. Do you notice that they're alphabetical? It's always x then y. Okay? That will help you remember it because y comes after x. So the y coordinate comes after the x coordinate. Okay? Now, let's see. Coordinates are the numbers of the point. Do you see that what it's telling us, Aiden, what it's telling us is that if we start here at the origin, that is the place where everything originates, okay? If we start at the origin, to get to this point, we go 3 along the x-axis, 1, 2, 3, and then we go 5 along the y-axis, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it takes us to the point. Remember, and I'll come back if we run out of time. Remember that to plot points, we always move the ladder before we climb the ladder. If you climb the ladder, you can't move it because you're up on the ladder. Go side to side first, then go up and down. Okay? Move the ladder, then climb the ladder. All right? Now, let's go down here. We talked about, it says a coordinate plane has two axes. The x-axis, that's the one side to side. Vivian told us that. And the y-axis, that's the one that goes up and down vertically. Okay? The first coordinate of a point is the x-coordinate, and the second coordinate is the y-coordinate. And the origin is located where the two axes